Hello and welcome to our South Asian University form fill up guide for postgraduate students. Today, I will walk you through the step by step process of filling up the application form for South Asian University's own entrance exam, which is SAU entrance test mode, as you can see on the screen. Before we begin, I want to highlight a crucial update for Indian students applying for MSc Economics at SAU. This year, the admission rules have changed. There are two ways to apply. First is the direct admission mode, which is without the SAU entrance exam, and it is through CUET PG. And the second is SAU's own entrance exam, which is SAU entrance test mode. Seats have been equally divided between the both. This guide is specifically for the students who are opting to fill South Asian University's entrance exam, which is SAU entrance test mode. Don't worry, filling out this form is very quick and easy. It will hardly take 5 minutes and you will need minimal documents. Please ensure that you have the required documents ready, which are listed on the screen. The application link has been provided below for your convenience. Note that the important deadlines for SAU entrance test mode is 18th April and for direct admission mode is 19th May. Make sure to submit your application before these deadlines as extensions might not be possible. Now that we have covered the essentials, let's move on to the step-by-step guide. Follow along and you will have your application submitted in no time. So kindly click on the link below and you will find two sections. SAU entrance test mode and direct admission mode. So we are going to click on SAU entrance test mode apply now button. Also make sure that you have your email ID opened and your phone handy because you will be receiving the OTP on both. You will have to enter it. So if you have it opened, you can save a little more time. So let's click on apply now and start the registration process. If you have already registered for this session, you can simply log in. If you haven't, kindly click on the register now button. After you've clicked on the register now button, fill in the details such as your name, date of birth, email ID, phone number, country code, your nationality and security code, which has been provided here on the form as we can see. Please make sure to write your full name. After you have filled in all your details and the security code, please click on register and then click on yes. Then you will receive the OTP and make sure to check your spam if you don't find it in your inbox. After you enter the OTP, you will be getting your user ID and password. Please save it somewhere so that you can access it later on and then click on proceed. After that, you have to complete your registration process. There are different steps for application: step 1, step 2, and step 3 and step 4, which we can see on the left side of the screen. So I'm going to click on complete your registration. So where I have to fill in rest of the details. So you have to write your father's name, your mother's name, you have to choose your gender, you have to choose your residency. For me, it's India. Your preferred country, test country where you want to sit for the exam. So I'm choosing India and then I have to choose two cities, preference 1 and preference 2. You can please make sure that you are very sure and you're correct, entering the correct city. After that, you have to answer how did you come to know about South? So for me, it was through my teachers. So I'm going to just choose that. You can choose whatever is relevant for you. After that, you have to enter your address, city, state, your country, and your zip code. And then if your present address is same as the permanent, click on this box. If it is different, fill in that address as well. Since for me it's permanent and present address is same, I'm going to click on this checkbox. Then you have to choose the program that you are applying for. So I am applying for MA Economics. And then you have to check this and then click on save and continue. Now we move on to step 2. So here I have to upload my photo. Make sure the photo is within 100K. Then you have to upload your signature. Then you have to choose your identification proof. I'm going to enter my Aadhaar card. So Aadhaar card, you have to also enter the number. Then you have to click here to upload your Aadhaar card. After you've done it all, click on upload images. Then you're taken to the payment screen where the details are shown and the programs that you have applied for. Make sure that all the details are correct, and only then click on this box, click on pay your fee, and you will be taken to the payment screen where you have to make the payment. And then you can, after you have done the payment, you can take a printout of the form that you filled up. And that is it. That's it. So, like I mentioned, it's not going to take more than 5 minutes if you have everything ready. So, thank you so much, and we'll see you in the classes soon.